What are you guys doing?
I feed puppies.
You gonna feed the horsies?
And a box.
You gotta get the hay. The hay is for the horsies. Here's one hay. That's for Harry. That's for Harry. And then we'll get a hay for Peter. And then we'll get a hay for Laura.
So we take it off? Is that better?
Okay, let's go put your carrot in the bucket.
I got for it.
Oh, you gotta put it, well, come on. We'll put it in the bucket. You gonna put it in the bucket? You know where the bucket is? Way up here. Here's the bucket. Can you put the carrot in the bucket? Here's one. Put one carrot. Drop it. There you go. Okay, let's go put a carrot in Sneaker's bucket. Let's go put a carrot in Sneaker's. Hi, Lou. Here, let's right here. Come on, Maddie. Your turn. No, don't give it to her. Put it in her bucket. It's for her food bucket. So they have dinner. Ready? Put it in. Yay!